There's the First Missionary Church. I'm on the scene here at Fox Meadows Apartments in Newton, Kansas. Looks like they're getting ready to pour sidewalks and slabs in front of the new buildings. Got their retaining wall done. Got a sidewalk poured here. Looks like there's a pile of dirt to grade out and possibly haul off some. Getting it cleaned up. Sign to get rid of. The steps are looking good in front of each of the buildings. The new paint looks good on the siding. Sort of coming together. Got a little high spot here on this dirt. Got the stairs done on these three buildings that are connected together. Got some dirt work to do there a little bit. Yeah, everything's painted up well. Some dirt work to do in there by the pool and the new buildings, final grade. Looks like they've dropped off the fence for most of it. Yeah, got the backside of this old building here. Yeah, steps are pretty rough on this one. Had a pile of construction material to get rid of in there. That was the first stairway that got done. Look, they've moved the dumpster. We're taking one out. There's down to one dumpster. Still got a low spot in the parking lot here. That looks like old Frank's truck. The front of this building's looking nice. Got new doors on it all. Coming together nicely. Got the old fence all gone. Looks like just down to final grade and stuff now. Coming together. Looks like 90% done, 90% to go. But looks like Brandon's here today getting her done, so I'll stop in and check on Mr. Fehrenbacher.